You ever bounced down your track, airdropped it to your phone, played it back, and it's just like the worst feeling ever. You're thinking to yourself like, why do I even bother doing this? It sounds an absolute mess. Played it in your car, even worse. So you go back, you fix it, you airdrop it again, you play it. Something else is wrong this time. I used to do this a lot with my mixes. I sent off 3 mixes this week and the revisions come back for each mix, and it's just subtle tweaks. And what I did with these mixes is use this tool that I'm about to show you and made real-time adjustments to the EQ, to the bass, to the vocals to get it sounding right. And one of my biggest struggles was getting bass to cut through and sound good on the phone. I would hear other mixes and think, why does the bass sound so good? Why am I hearing so much bass on my phone? I'll play my mix and it's just flat or non-existent. A couple of years ago, I'd done a mix with someone and they said, it makes it sound okay, but I just can't hear the bass. So I'd done a lot of research trying to figure out how to get the bass to cut through, and I've even got a video talking about how to make the bass cut through, but that still was one of my biggest struggles. So enough talking, let me show you this plugin. Back in the day we had this plugin, I forget what it's called. You could just put it on your master fader and then you'd have the app on your phone and you could listen to it. But then they went bust, they just disappeared. So I looked everywhere for years trying to find something, and the other day I found this Mix to Mobile. Amazing. Yeah, all you got to do is download the app. It's a free trial, so go and check it out for yourself. Oh, and while we're at it, hit the like button as well for us. So all you got to do, download it to your mobile and download the plugin, free trial. So then we put Mix to Mobile on our main app, stereo app. And then on our phone, it will say, hi there, start listening to your mix. And you just press play. And you can hear your mix in real time, and you can make EQ adjustments. How I've used it is, I don't know why I've got headphones on. So yeah, what I did with this is I was able to get my bass to sound right by using, I think it was R bass or bass XXL, and I could hear while I'm tweaking that the bass is coming through. Resonances that was bugging me, I could just pull them out. The vocals were sounding a bit too harsh. I could do what I need to do to get them sounding less harsh. The plugin is an absolute godsend. Not sponsored by them at all. I just want to show you good plugins and help you to achieve better mixes. So yeah, just a nice short, sweet video showing you this incredible plugin, this incredible tool that's going to help us to level up our mixes. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.